Okay, I did post on these a while back, but I am back for more with another update. So I have used these obviously even longer now. I think I've gone through 1 or 2 boxes more, and they are so good, so easy on your skin. Since then my boyfriend has actually gotten hooked, which is amazing. But these are the Clean Skin Club towelettes, and they are awesome. They're so good for your skin. They are so clean, and they really help reduce breakout. They help brighten your skin. They help reduce your pore size. There's so much that goes into everything that is behind this product, and I highly recommend it. It's great for everyday use. They have a cute bamboo box that also comes in. I just keep mine here in this container, but I love it. I have the XL towels, and so what it looks like is the towels just come here. You open it up, and here are all your towelettes. So it's super awesome. They come in a pack of 50. So mine typically lasts me about a month just because my boyfriend steals them. But I love it, and I hope that you guys find some and enjoy it, and I hope that your skin is radiant with them.